This is guide how to use each function of the controller. It is P-type controller that is capable of precise temperature control. It is possible to set both temperature and time. The upper screen displays the inner temperature. The lower screen displays the set temperature. Run lamp that is displaying state of operating equipment. Out lamp that is displaying output state of the heater. Timer lamp that is displaying when time has set up. Auto tuning lamp that is displaying when auto tuning function is activating. Run key that is for running and stopping operation. Mode key that is for selecting mode to set temperature and time. There are keys for changing and setting value. This is a key for shifting digit number, and other keys are for setting value. DSP and AT key is for checking time or running auto tuning. You can check remaining time by pressing the DSP button during operation if you have set up the time. AT function is for restoring the original accuracy when you have replaced parts. There is function of selecting time scale. Each time scale available to choose is up to 99 minutes 59 seconds, or 99 hours 59 minutes, or 99 days and 23 hours. The default sets in hours and minutes. This is guide how to set temperature. Press mode key. Temp mode is displayed in upper screen. Available setting temperature displayed in lower screen. Set your desired temperature using by keys. This is guide how to set up time. Press mode key. Time mode is displayed in upper screen. Available setting time displayed in lower screen. Set your desired time using by keys. The default of time sets in hours and minutes. It is possible to set up to 99 hours 59 minutes. You can set up time 0000 for infinite valued time. Press mode key after finishing setting. This is guide how to operate. Press run key for more than 2 seconds. Operation is started. Run lamp and out lamp are turned on. Timer lamp is turned on if time has been set up. This is guide for ending operation. When operating time is ended, the run lamp is blinking and displaying end on the screen. And beep is sounded for 30 seconds. If you want to stop the buzzer before 30 seconds, press run key once. This is guide how to stop during operation. Press run key for more than 2 seconds to stop during operation. This is guide for timer during operation. Timer is only working in time for the range of setting temperature, and the period of temperature up and down is not included. Timer lamp is blinking until it reaches the setting temperature. When it reaches the setting temperature, timer lamp stops blinking and turn on. After then, timer is running. Press the SP key if you want to see the remaining time. This is guide for how to do auto tuning. Auto tuning is a kind of function that automatically measure and calculate to set the optimal integer for pit control. It is possible to run the function even while in use. It is highly recommended to run the function in case of replacing main parts such as controllers, sensors, and heaters. Press A key for more than 5 seconds after setting the temperature and starting operation. Auto indicator lamp is blinking with beep sound, and then the auto tuning is started. Auto indicator lamp turns off after completing the auto tuning. If you want to stop auto tuning while it is running, press A key for more than 5 seconds. Auto indicator lamp turns off when auto tuning is stopped.